Hello, One Code Jumper! My name is Nico, and I'm excited to guide you to the fundamentals of C#. Whether you're new to programming or looking to expand your skills, C# is a versatile and powerful language used in a variety of applications, from web development to game development. So let's dive in and explore C#. Let me introduce to you about C#. So what exactly is C#? So C# is a modern, object-oriented programming language that was developed by Microsoft, and it is part of what we call the .NET ecosystem. It supports also a wide range of applications, such as web development, game development, and mobile applications. Also, its syntax is similar to C, C++, and Java. So it is going to become easier for other developers to catch up if you have some similar experiences with these languages. Alright. So the features of C#. C# is a powerful choice for developers. Firstly, because it is an object-oriented, meaning it supports fundamental concepts like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism, which can help organize code and make it reusable. It also is type-safe, meaning it's reducing the common errors by ensuring that the correct data types are being used, which leads to more reliability and maintainability. Another major feature is it's a cross-platform. Its platform is used for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So it is not just limited to one singular operating system. Also, in C#, it also has what we call the garbage collection, which handles memory management, so developers don't need to worry about manually allocating or deallocating memory, making it easier to write and make efficient code. Finally, C# language makes a strong community and Microsoft support, meaning it's well documented and constantly evolving with the current updates. So next one, why do we use C#? First, its versatility. C# allows you to develop applications across various domains, from desktop to mobile to web and into game development and even cloud systems. It also provides high performance through various optimization and just-in-time compilation, making it suitable for modern and demanding applications. Also, as we have said, that it's a cross-platform development. In C#, it ensures that your apps or applications can run on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and without needing to rewrite your codes on different kind of operating system. So C# is backed by the rich libraries of the .NET, which offers pre-built solutions for common tasks, saving developers time and efforts to building their applications. So the next one will be the applications of the C#. So one of the applications for C# is its web applications, as well as the mobile and game development. So all of the applications we serve and can be used in C#. Also, we also have what we call the frameworks in C#. So the frameworks is ideal for building Windows applications with a comprehensive set of libraries and tools. With the use of the .NET and .NET 5+, the C# expands beyond Windows, enabling cross-platform developments and offers more open source solutions. So in the .NET Core right here, it is a go-to framework for building robust and better web applications and APIs. Also, we have here the Xamarin that allows developers to create mobile applications for iOS and Android with a single code base. For those who are working with artificial intelligence, ML.NET is a machine learning framework that integrates well with C#. And if you're working with cloud services, Azure integration is a part of them. Alright. Before we can write code, of course, we're going to make use of our editor. So for our editor of choice, we're going to make use of our Visual Studio Code. So right here, I'm going to try to download our Visual Studio Code with this. If you click this one, it will automatically download the Visual Studio Code. But for me, I already have downloaded this one. So let me help you with the installation of this. So after you finish downloading, just click the installation right here. And then click right here, they accept the agreement. And then go next, next, next. And it will predefinedly fix you all the necessary recommended tools to put it. So you just click next, and when you see this install button, just click it. And with that, it will automatically install it for us. And we will also be downloading an extension on our Visual Studio Code for us to be able to run C#. Alright, so I'll just wait for us to install this one. And then by clicking finish right here, you will be able to open up our Visual Studio Code. Alright, so right here, you see in our Visual Studio Code, we have what we call Explorer. So this contains all of our files or the folders we're going to make, and then the extensions. So here, click here on the extensions, and then we're going to install C#. Or I already have installed right here, but you will see an install button right here, and can click that in order for us to be able to connect to C#. Alright, so if you have finished installing it, we'll go back to our Explorer right here, and then we would wanted to go to our C# folder or create a folder that you want, and then we will go to our terminal right here. If you click this one, it's going to become our terminal, and we're going to make a new folders right here with the use of the code .NET new console. With this .NET new console, we will be able to create a C# or the basic folders for our C#. Just click enter. As you can see right here, you will be able to create the program or the basic program for our C#. So click the programs right here. As you can see, we have here the basic on creating or printing a hello world. Alright, so go here on our terminal, and in order for us to run this, we're going to make use of the code .NET run. And with the use of this, let's wait it to load up. You will now be able to see the hello world text. Alright, so hopefully this excites you for us to be able to create all of the C# codes that we're going to make in the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, take care and keep coding.